welcome to another video from Jubilee. This video is a quick video to celebrate the 50th anniversary or Golden Jubilee of the Class 47 Brush Type 4. In the background here, in inner city livery, we have 47487. This is actually a old Lima model, and as you can see, it runs pretty well. It does have slightly weaker pickups than some of the newer models, so you could see it was slowing down a little bit as it was going over the completed track here with the weathered track and the ballast and so on. So probably needs a bit more of a wheel cleaning. In the foreground here on the right, there's 47421, and it is an old Hornby Railways Class 47, and it's got an embedded head code of IV03. And then going around the layout right now is the Helgen Class 47, 47555, the Commonwealth Spirit. And all three of these Class 47 models are really nice. There's a number of Class 47 models that are currently available, especially on bargain e-hands. I think I may actually pick up the Class 47 in B or two-tone green. So today is September 28th, 2012, and like I said at the beginning of the video, this is actually the 50th anniversary or Golden Jubilee of the Class 47 entering service for British Rail. So on the 20th of September in 1962, the very first Class 47 rolled out into active service for British Rail. So we've actually been working towards today for the last couple of months. So if you actually go to the Jubilee Rail YouTube channel, which is you can either click on the Jubilee Rail 77 option on this video to get to the YouTube channel, or you can go and type in www.youtube.com/JubileeRail77. On that page, you'll find a link to our Blurb bookstore. It should say Jubilee Rail bookstore. It's probably on the right hand side. And on there, we actually have currently a Class 47 book, which you can either get in ebook edition or in print. And all the proceeds from that Class 47 book, which by the way has, I think it's an 8x10 format, and it's available either in soft cover, hardcover image wrap, or hardcover flap. I'd recommend getting the hardcover flap, and it's actually the version I ordered. And all the photos in that book is about 142 or more photos in the book, and there are about 22 two-page full spreads, and most of the photos are either from the early 1960s to mid-1960s, or they're from the mid to late 70s and early 80s. There are a few more modern day images in there as well, but the vast majority in that book are from the 70s and 80s. So if you're interested in the Class 47 and you'd like to help support the Jubilee Rail project, feel free to click on the bookstore link and download either the ebook version or the hardbook print version, which takes about 2 or 3 weeks for it to show up in delivery. One of the other things too is you can usually get 15 or 20% off coupons for Blurb. So feel free to Google for a coupon and download or order the full version that way. The other thing that we have going on is a couple hours ago I uploaded about 142 Class 47 pictures to our photos.jubileerail.com site. So if you go to http://photos.jubileerail.com, you'll actually be able to click on the All My Photos link, or just scroll the page down until you see all the different classes. And on there should be a Class 47 gallery, and in there currently is 142 pictures. I'll be uploading some of the earlier ones over the next couple of days and over the coming weeks. I'm expecting to add at least 20 or 30 more Class 47 photos. In fact, I'm hoping to add about 300 more photos from various different British Rail classes. And one of the nice things you can do with the photos at the oorail.com site is you can actually go and order prints. So if there's a photo you like and you want to just put it on the wall, there's a wide variety of different options for different prints. And again, all the proceeds from that go to support the oorail project. Helps us buy more models, helps extend the layout, and basically helps us create these videos. So if you're interested, it's a great way to support the project as well as getting something cool back in exchange. You may see that unlike some other projects, we're not accepting donations. We feel that if you guys like the videos and you want to help support the project, we should put out at least some sort of interesting product for you guys to enjoy. So hopefully you'll take a look at the photos and the book and maybe provide us with some feedback. So with that, I'm going to leave you guys with this some shots of the Class 47s here going around the layout. And if I have time later in the day, we'll try to put out a couple more Class 47 videos. Until then, hope you enjoy it.